Hi, I'm Rob Kersey, and here is my presentation for my internship for the beginning internship course B298. And my internship took place at Walmart Supercenter, Dixon, California. And the reason why I chose the Walmart there is because I was already a current employee, and I've gained a lot of success and become really comfortable as a cashier, and I already have started learning in the retail business while I was able to acquire my internship because of my experience I had already established with the store of an ability to easily acquire credit card applicants. As you can see there from that booklet, that customers could get credit cards or could save $25, get $25 back to them if they used a newly opened credit card account with them. And because I was so well at getting credit cards and breaking store goals, that I was able to easily go to the store manager, and he extended me the opportunity to do a two-part internship. Here's the Auto Care Center. The first half of my internship was to be a project given to me by Derek to go around and promote, encourage other cashiers through the other various departments to promote and sell a credit card. In addition to that, when there was downtime, I was helping stock shelves and learning the different departments. Here's Jorge, one of the tire center cashiers, and after some of the promoting and the encouraging and coaching I did, 2 days later he brought in a couple of credit cards by himself without me, and so I guess you could say that I had a lasting effect that encouraged him to keep going with credit cards. Here was Freddie in the electronics department, and I had been working with him, and we got 2 credit card applications together. And while I was there, and also I spent time learning more about the electronics department and gaining some insights. Here's a shot of the service department where the returns and money services happen. And money services are money orders, and where they send and receive money through the MoneyGram outfit, and also bill payments happen. And here was the second part of my internship, where I got to go develop skills, be trained in this area, develop skills, and the potential to shadow a customer service manager to gain more skills and development in that area. Here I am with Marjani, who was the customer service associate, and I was shadowing with her to learn and to observe her as she was performing the operations of the position. And so she was in essence training me as I shadowed and observed her there at the money services or customer service. And part of the learning process is for us to take computer training, or CBLs as we call them, computer-based learning, so I can learn the processes and go through simulations and learn some of the rules and regulations and policies to process. So my time was spent also at the computer learning. So here I am finally actually processing a return for someone, which was part of the learning opportunity I had now that I'd already shadowed Marjani and gained some computer skills. So out of this internship, I had gained some insights into how to promote and encourage others to accomplish things as I took the a leadership role in moving around to the various departments and teaching and encourage others to get the credit card. So I learned how to encourage and be a coach to others. gain skills for customer service center. And one of the things that I had to present in this presentation was what experiences fit into my future plans. Well, the experiences, all of these experiences actually were given fitting into my future plans by helping me become closer and more skilled at being a customer service manager and gain the skills to move forward in the retail business and especially at Walmart. And what advice that I would give to future interns is be aggressive, take advantage of what you can. I know I wasn't fully given the time that had been committed to me, but because I continued to press and push, I eventually was given a lot of the time, and I was able to complete a majority of the project and develop in my skills because I was aggressive and not just sat back and waited for things to happen.